Hi everyone, my name is Sharon Bond. I'm the owner of Dummy Mask Dance Studio, which is located in Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada. And in today's Kizomba tutorial video, we will be talking about the T-step. So what is the T-step? Well, the T-step is a combination of two steps known as the left Estrella and the right Estrella. And these are basic three variations that I go into more in depth in another video that I have, but I will quickly review them today. So I'm going to start with I'm going to start with the lead timing. So I will turn to the side, and for left Estrella, you start off like a basic three, and you're going to step with your left leg forward on count 1. 1, 2, tap 3. For left Estrella, we're going to step back 4. We're going to take our right leg and turn to the left, a quarter turn, 5, and then tap 6. For the right Estrella, start off like a basic 3. 1, 2, tap 3. Now we're going to take our left leg and we're going to turn our body to the right. 4, step back, 5, tap 6. For the follow timing, we're going to step back with our right leg on count 1. So let's do the left Estrella first. So step back, 1, 2, tap 3. Now we're going to step forward on 4, turn our bodies, quarter turn to the left, 5, tap 6. For the right Estrella, it starts off the same, 1, 2, tap 3, but now we're going to turn to the right on 4 with our right leg. 4, step forward 5, tap 6. So let's do the T-step. Now the T-step is a combination of the left and right Estrellas, like I mentioned before, and the order is left Estrella, right Estrella, right Estrella, and left Estrella. And when you do it in that order, you form a T when you're doing the steps. So let's turn around, and I'll be doing the lead timing, so I'm going to start with my left. So for leads, we step forward for the first 3 counts. 1, 2, tap 3. Now I want to do a left Estrella first, so I'm going to step back 4. I'm going to turn a quarter turn to the left with my stepping with my right, 5, and then tap 6. So now I'm facing left. And now the next is the right Estrella. 1, 2, tap 3. I'm going to turn a quarter turn to the right. 4, step back 5, tap 6. Now another right Estrella. 1, 2, 3, turn 4, back 5, tap 6. So I'm facing right. And now the final step will be a left Estrella. 1, 2, tap 3, step back 4, turn 5, tap 6. So it's like I did this, then back, then that, and then back here. So that's the T formation. So let's do the lead timing a little more smoothly. So we're going to start off with a left Estrella. 1, 2, tap 3, 4, turn 5, tap 6. Now right Estrella. 2, 3, turn 4, back 5, tap 6. Right Estrella. 2, 3, turn 4, back 5, tap 6. And left Estrella. 2, 3, 4, 5, tap 6. Now let's do the follow timing, starting with my right leg going back. So 1, 2, 3. Now I want to do a left Estrella. So step forward 4, turn 5, tap 6. Now I'm going to do a right Estrella. 1, 2, 3, turn 4, step forward 5, tap 6. Another right Estrella. 2, 3, turn 4, step forward 5, tap 6. then a left Estrella to 3, step forward 4, turn 5, tap 6. So a little more smoothly. Left Estrella to 3, 4, 5, 6, right Estrella, another right Estrella, and left Estrella. So let's put those moves to music. So I hope you enjoyed that video on the T-step that can be used in Kizomba. For more information on Kizomba and other classes that we offer, please visit our website at demimassdance.ca and check us out on Facebook at Demimass Dance Studio and on Instagram at Demimass Dance. Thanks for watching.